Hi everybody, my name is Steve and welcome to Oil Hacks, a show where we help you take ordinary essential oils and do extraordinary things with them. We've got 3 great hacks for you today, so let's jump in. Are you looking for a way to get rid of the creepy crawlies that are either in your house or in your garden? Well, here's the hack. Take 15 to 20 drops of peppermint oil and put it into a spray bottle of water. Then, simply spray around your plants or around your garden or even around your doors and windows and watch those creepy crawlies skitter scatter. Has this ever happened to you? Well, here's the hack. Simply take a couple drops of lemon oil and apply it to the affected areas. Let it sit for about 5 minutes, then take a damp washcloth and scrub it clean. Works every time. Are you looking for a smoother shave? Well, here's the hack. Simply add a couple drops of sandalwood and lavender to your favorite shaving cream. That's smooth. Do you have an oil hack that you'd love to have featured on this show? Well, all you gotta do is post about it in the comments below. We'll see you next time.